My name is Nana Osim Kwatia II. I am the chief of Amanokrom and I double as the Jasinghene of Akuapem. Akuapem outside Paramount Sea has 5 divisions. These divisions are the Adontin Division, the Kronti Division, Jasi Division, Nifan Division, and Benkum Division. Jasi primarily is the administrative wing of the Oyeeman. Akuapems are able to celebrate Odra because of one famous war we were engaged in, 1826 at Atamanso. When we went to war, and the Ashantis has come all the way to Akatamanso to fight, Akuapems in that war were able to capture a few things that gave us the right to celebrate. The Oyeeman in Takrachel and Dodosu. These are key things that gives us the impetus to celebrate Odra. So from 1826, at the reign of Nana Addo Dankwa I, that is when Odra started. So Odra is very spiritual for the people of Akuapem in a sense that it reenacts our history as people, where we had come from and where we are and what constitutes us. So Odra is more spiritual than the social aspect, and also a time to showcase our culture. Odra has so many meanings. The first meaning of Odra, it is a period of thanksgiving. It means that we take a section of the year to give thanks to the Almighty God for having seen us through a year. So every Odra is a symbol of thanksgiving to God. The second thing about Odra is a period of purification. We believe that every year we should set aside a time to purify the chief, the people, the citizens, in a spiritual manner. So Odra is a time for purification. Odra is a period for stock taking, as people will give an account and stewardship of the year gone by. So it is like the president or somebody that gives a manifesto and says that I'll construct road, I'll build houses for this thing. It's a period of stock taking. So the chiefs and his people see where they are in terms of all the plans they made last year and take stock. Odra is a period of affirmation. This affirmation is to give and to tell the chief that you are a leader. And so, because you are a leader, we are affirming our loyalty to you, that we will never leave you, and that the oath that we swore, we are reenacting it and telling you that we are still with you. Odra is a period of merrymaking. God has helped you. He has blessed you with money. This is a period to go and find some nice kente cloth, and so some ornaments, some rings, and adore yourself. So Odra is a period of pomp and pageantry for the people to come together and show the blessings that have been bestowed on them. Odra is also a period for settlement of differences. You know, you cannot celebrate this Odra without you all unifying or coming together as a people. So we use this opportunity to come together as one unit and display who we are by way of music, dance, drumming, and poetry to affirm that we are these people and this is what we do. In a sense, this is what Odra means. You expect say you be Udre, not less than 50,000 people. I be fat now you be heading, now you make sure so biara heading huni repractice to be a warm way be mras se fabe in answer ma you do too many man. Omanfo, Roma, Omandeshi, Ahemfo, Ahemiafo, Nina, Asama Madam Mamonese, a year soldier on Kenya Babicha 2020. Nina, Shaman Sem, Samubedi, Mranch, Shea, or Mangna Yeso, Emfa Asudima, Efa COVID-19, show nose max. sanitize wo ho te wo mu wo ronsa ehye mo nsam